In the far northeast of India, nestled in Manipur's hills, lies Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in the region. Its surface is dotted with hundreds of floating islands called thumdis, forming a unique mosaic of green and blue. Loktak is more than a lake, it's a living ecosystem and the cultural heart of Manipur. Covering nearly 287 square kilometers, it provides water, fish and farmland for thousands. The lake's character changes with the seasons, expanding during monsoons, shrinking in the dry months. The people here have adapted to this rhythm, building their lives on the floating thumdis. Loktak is woven into the folklore and traditions of the Meitei people, sustaining them for generations. The lake is a source of sustenance, spiritual connection, and home. To understand Loktak is to witness a rare partnership between humanity and nature. It's a living museum, showcasing a sustainable way of life that floats gently on its waters. Here, every day is shaped by the lake's ebb and flow. Loktak Lake stands as a testament to the ingenuity of both nature and people. The thumdis are Loktak's most astonishing feature. Floating islands made of vegetation, soil, and organic matter. They drift across the lake, some small as boats, others spanning kilometers. The largest thumdi forms Cable Lamjau National Park, the world's only floating national park. Thumdis are created as aquatic plants die and decompose, forming thick, buoyant mats. Locals build lightweight bamboo homes on these islands, anchoring them with bamboo poles. Villagers often cut thumdis into circles, creating individual homesteads for families. The islands drift with the wind and water, sometimes touching the lakebed in the dry season, then floating free during monsoons. This cycle enriches the thumdis, making them fertile for small-scale farming. Life here is a constant dance with the water, requiring resilience and adaptation. The people of Loktak have mastered living on these ever-shifting islands. Each day on Loktak begins with sunrise glinting off the water. Fishing is the main livelihood. Families set out in canoes, using traditional nets suited to the lake's shallow, plant-filled waters. The thumdis double as floating gardens, where villagers grow vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers. This blend of fishing and farming makes the community largely self-sufficient. Boats are the only way to travel. Children paddle to floating schools, and families visit neighbors by canoe. Even the youngest learn to navigate the waterways with skill. The community is close-knit, bound by shared traditions and mutual support. Evenings are spent repairing nets and sharing stories, life governed by the sun and seasons. The lake's rhythm shapes every aspect of daily life. Here, simplicity and cooperation are the foundation of survival. Loktak Lake is a sanctuary for extraordinary wildlife. The thumdis create habitats for countless species, making the lake a biodiversity hotspot. Most famous is the endangered Sangai deer, found only here, moving gracefully across the floating park. The lake is a haven for migratory birds. Ducks, geese and cranes flock here in winter. Resident birds like kingfishers and herons thrive among the reeds. Beneath the surface, over 50 fish species support both wildlife and the local economy. Aquatic plants provide oxygen, shelter, and food, maintaining the lake's delicate balance. Every creature, from insects to deer, is part of this intricate web. Loktak's ecosystem is a living tapestry where every life is interconnected. Protecting this diversity is vital for the lake's future. Despite its beauty, Loktak faces serious threats. Pollution from agriculture and towns degrades water quality, harming fish and people. Plastic waste chokes waterways and endangers wildlife. The Ithai Barrage Dam has disrupted the lake's natural cycles, weakening the thumdis and threatening the Sangai deer's habitat. Fish migration has declined, impacting local livelihoods. Climate change brings unpredictable rains and dry spells, straining the ecosystem further. The community's traditional knowledge is being tested by these modern challenges. Conservation efforts focus on protecting wildlife, reducing pollution, and promoting sustainable tourism. Preserving Loktak requires cooperation between locals, scientists, and government. The future of this floating world depends on finding balance, so Loktak's magic endures for generations.